Hello everyone, in this video हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3289 द टू की नंबर्स ऑफ डिजिटविले। तो क्वेश्चन है इन द टाउन ऑफ डिजिटविले, एक टाउन था डिजिटविले, देयर वाज अ लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स, देयर वाज अ लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स कॉल्ड नम्स। ठीक है, लिस्ट नेम वाज नम्स and the list contains the integers from 0 to n-1. Okay, list contain numbers from 0 to n-1. Each number was supposed to appear exactly once. Each number is supposed to exactly once. Okay, for example, in this array every number is supposed to exactly once, not twice, not thrice, only once. However, two mischievous numbers sneaked in an additional time. It is saying that in our list of 0 to n-1, where each number is appearing once, two numbers are appearing two times. Okay, it means they were uh, they were in the list once, but they came again. So there are two numbers like this. We will see example. So we have to detect whose numbers are them which are appearing again. Okay, let's see example to understand it more clearly. So let's say in this example 032132. Okay, what is the maximum number in our list? Maximum number is 3. Okay, so हमारे क्वेश्चन में it is given that in the list 0 to n minus numbers are there. Okay, n-1. So and each number is supposed to appear once. So ideal list should be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and array size is 4, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in our list we are given some numbers which are not appearing once. So what are the numbers we have to return? So 0 is appearing once, 3 is appearing once till here, 2 is appearing once, 1 is appearing once, 3 is appearing again, but it has appeared before. So 3 is our number, we will add it to our answer. Now 2 is appeared before, but it is appearing again, so 2 will add in our answer. Okay, let's see another example, then we will see its code. Okay, so other example is this, example number 3rd. Okay, what is our maximum number in our list? It's 9. So ideal list should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But let's check now. 7 is appearing once. Okay, 1 is appearing once, 5 once, 4 once, 3 is appeared once. Okay, 4 is appearing again, but it has appeared before, so we will add 4. Okay, now 6 once, 0 once, 9 once. Now 5 is appeared once, and it is given there are only two numbers which are appearing again, not once. So we got our two numbers, we will stop the loop, we don't have to check 8 and 2. Okay, now let's see the approach of doing it. Okay, we will see a easy code so that you will understand it very easily. So our basic intuition is to take a unordered map. Okay, take a map and store the count of each numbers, and once the count is 2 we will add it to our vector. Let's try run it for our this input. Okay, so first we will do map, we will create a map. Okay, and I have named it count because it is a meaningful name, it is storing count. Okay, Next मैंने vector बनाया है, that vector will store two numbers, our sneaky numbers which are appearing twice more than once. Now we will iterate through the array in line number 6 and we will add the count of the numbers. Okay, first we will go to 0. Zeros count we will add. Okay, so zeros count will be 1. This is our number and this is our count. Then if zeros count is 2, no, zeros count is not 2, it is 1. So we will go to next number. Okay, next number after 0 is 3. So we will go check 3. 3 is not there, we will create 3 and we will do its count increment, that is 1. Then 2. 2 is not there, we will create 2 and increment it to 1. Then again 2, again 1 I mean. 1 is not there, we will create 1 and its count will be 1. Okay, it is our number, it is our count. Now after 1 we have got 3. 3 is already there. Map do not create different keys. Keys will be unique. So it will increment 3's count by this line to 2. Now again we will check our current number, that is 3's count is 2. Yes, it is 2. So we will push this in our sneaky. Sneaky is a vector, output vector. So we will push 3 to it. Okay. Now we will move ahead. After this I plus plus will be there. Now 2. 2 is also there. 2's count will also increment and 2. Yes, it is 2. So we will push back 2. Now we can include a break statement here and after that we will return our vector sneaky. This is the output and it runs very well. Let me show you. This is our code and this, if we will run it, see, it is running perfectly, correct output. Now if I submit it, it is happening. Yes, it is submitted. Thank you so much for watching. And there is also a solution of mathematics. I will explain this in another video. Thank you.